everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing how to crochet this stunning and very cute scrunchies. It's a super easy pattern. If you know puff stitch, you can give it a try. So without further ado, let's get started. This tutorial, I'm using weight 3 acrylic yarn. This is ombre yarn. You can use solid yarn as well. This one was made using weight 4 and these two were weight 3. So you can see a slight difference in the gauge. So you can either go for weight 4 yarn or weight 3. Make sure it's acrylic yarn. With that, I'm taking 2.5mm crochet hook, small hair ties like this. You can use regular ones also. You can make bigger scrunchies, a big eye needle, a stitch marker. First, make a slip knot and then take your hair tie, insert your hook and bring this slip knot like this and lock the yarn. And then hide this tail and make single crochets around this hair tie. So 1, 2, hold your hair tie like this. It makes you easier to handle the yarn and the tie both at the same time. So repeat the same and make single crochets around, and I'll meet you at the end of this row. I'm at the end of row 1. I made single crochets around this hair tie. Now we will insert our hook in the first chain here, first single crochet. On top of this first single crochet we have a chain gap there. Make a slip stitch. For row 2 we will make increases, in the sense insert your hook in the next chain, make a single crochet. Again insert your hook in the same chain gap and make one more single crochet. We made 2 single crochets in the very first chain. Mark that first stitch we made. This is the beginning of row 2. After making 2 single crochets into the next chain, make 2 single crochets. Into the next chain, make 2 single crochets. 1, 2. Into the next chain, make 2 single crochets. So similarly, make increase in every stitch. Make 2 single crochets in every stitch and I'll meet you at the end of this row. I'm at the end of row 2. I made single crochet increase in every stitch. And now remove your stitch marker. Make a slip stitch in the same chain gap. So this completes row 2. For row 3, we will make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. After making 4 chains, pull a little lengthier loop, yarn over and into the third stitch from the hook. So this is the first stitch, second stitch, third stitch. And into the third stitch here, we will make a puff stitch. So yarn over, pull up a loop. Keep the loop as it is. Again yarn over, insert your hook in the same third stitch, yarn over, pull the second loop. Again yarn over, third time. Again, fourth time. So after you yarn over 4 times, now yarn over and pull through all the loops at once, and this creates one puff stitch. Lock the puff and then you can see this fourth chain here. We will make a single crochet in this fourth chain. So this completes one puff. And now into the next chain here, insert your hook and make a slip stitch. Again, make 4 chains. Into the third stitch, 1, 2, 3. Into the third chain here, we will make a puff stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. After you yarn over for 4 times, yarn over and pull through all the loops at once. And then yarn over and lock the puff stitch. And now insert your hook into this 4th chain here, yarn over and make a single crochet. So this completes the second puff. After that, into the next chain, make a slip stitch. Again make 4 chains, pull a little lengthy loop and make a puff stitch into the 3rd stitch here. 1, 2, 3, 4. After you yarn over for 4 times, yarn over and pull through all the loops at once and then lock the puff. After locking the puff, insert your hook into the 4th stitch and make a single crochet. And then into the next chain, make a slip stitch. 4 chains, make a puff stitch into the 3rd chain, after that yarn over and pull through all the loops and lock the puff. Into the 4th chain, insert your hook and make your single crochet. And then into the next chain, we will make slip stitch. And we will repeat the same process around. We will make 1 puff stitch in every chain gap here. So repeat the same and I'll meet you at the end of this row. I'm almost at the end of row 3. You can see I made my last puff stitch and made a single crochet in the 4th chain. Now into this tail, this is where we made first puff stitch. So on that chain, insert your hook, yarn over and make a slip stitch. And then chain 1, leave a little lengthy tail and cut your yarn. Slowly remove the yarn. We will weave this tail. Take a pig eye needle, insert your yarn. Trim the excess yarn and this completes your scrunchie. Hope you like this tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching.